Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're comparing two popular home design apps, Planner 5D and Room Planner. Both are great tools if you want to design your space digitally, but which one fits your needs better in 2025? Let's jump in. Planner 5D is known for its intuitive interface and powerful 3D virtualization. It lets you create a detailed floor plans and realistic renders with ton of furniture and decor options. These apps work across devices, including mobile and desktop, which makes it super flexible. Plus, it has a larger community sharing design ideas to get inspired. On the other hand, Room Planner focuses on simplicity and speed. It's perfect if you want to sketch out your ideas quickly and see them in 3D without getting overwhelmed. The interface is clean and user friendly, ideal for beginners or casual users who want fast results. It also integrates well with IKEA furniture catalogs, which is a huge plus if you love shopping there. So, if you want a detailed, high quality design with more customization, Planner 5D is your go to go. But if you want something easy and fast with IKEA support, Room Planner might suit you better. Thanks for watching. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparison and tips. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.